Hello everybody, in front of me today is the 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan in pine green. Has a special applique. Each year Royal Enfield changes up their paint scheme, so it's a great bike. So I'll give you a little bit. It's 411 cc's and 24.3 horsepower and 23.6 pounds of torque. The top speed's around 70 miles an hour. It does have a 5-speed transmission, 1 down, 4 up. This is a great little adventure bike. People get these, they can be equipped with the Panniers, which are the hard bags, aluminum bags you see. They call them Panniers in the rest of the world. In America, they're kind of saddlebags. That's what it is. There's a few new features, and I'm going to go over them with you in just a minute. Okay, in the front we have 41 millimeter telescopic forks. In the rear we have a monoshock with preload adjustment. And there's a single 300 millimeter disc with a 2-piston caliper in the front and a 240 millimeter rear disc with a single piston in the back. Okay, so you want to know what the difference is between the 21 model and the 22, right? So what's been changed is the rear rack has been modified, so it's a little lower, it's more stable, and that's lower. The front racks have been also modified so that they give you a little more leg room in the front. The seat, even though it looks the same as the 21, the seat cushion has been updated, so it's a little more comfortable. There's also the new windscreen, and it has the Royal Enfield badging on it, and also the Royal Enfield Tripper navigation has been added to this bike, and what that does is it works on your cell phone, and you download the Royal Enfield app and it'll give you turn-by-turn navigation, and it works right through your smartphone. So you can see there's a lot of value here. It's a great adventure bike. It has new features, especially the navigation's kind of handy, and you know, if you're looking for a great starter bike, it gets good gas mileage. It is a on and off-road type of vehicle. It's great for beat-up roads, dirt roads, runs good on secondary roads. It's not really a highway cruiser, but secondary roads, it's great. So you can check this out at marksmotorsports.com, or you can give our sales staff a call at 860-741-5115.